No start journey you no go end. If you know you won't be a responsible parent, so don't bring a child into this world. Some parents flaunting nakedness online when children normally imitate character of parents. Basic reason the world of today is corrupt. Irresponsible parenting add to the cause why many terrorists are formed. There is a time you are free to be wayward, but as long as you are responsible for taking care of your life, you have to behave mature. The opposite of good, 9 girls love. If you notice, girls love toxic men. Be a hard guy. The day you show girls say you love them, now that day you go lose them. As a man, stay wicked. Now bad thing girl they like. Now why most of them ignore good men and follow ones where they wicked and deceive them. They mostly fall for men when no they give them attention. Even if you love, no go show girls say you care. I repeat, now only girls, but the case they different when it comes to women. Girl wey don mature become woman go give you peace of mind. Your conscience no go allow you